Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name's Kalia.
And my name's Andrew.
Today we're in VEXcode and we'll tell you the project will be about robot drawing, the description. This example will draw lines on the paper and show how to change the colors of lines. The program will be grid map. And we're going to change a lot of different programs.
So first
we're going to move robot pen down. It's in looks and move robot pen down.
Drive forward for 200 millimeters.
Okay. Then set robot color to red.
Okay.
Set robot color to red. Then
drive forward for 200 millimeters again.
Then
move robot
pen
color up.
Okay, then drive forward for 200 millimeters. Okay, then move robot pen down.
And
then set color to blue. No, not print. Set robot color to blue. Okay, then drive forward for 200 millimeters.
What do you think it will do?
I think it will move robot pen down, then it will draw black because the robot pen is down but no color, so it will be black. It will drive forward for 200 millimeters. It will set robot pen color to red, then drive forward for 200 millimeters. Then it will move robot pen up so it won't draw anything. Then it will drive for 200 meters again. Then move robot pen down to draw again. It will set robot pen color to blue and drive forward for 200 millimeters. Okay, let's start. We're going to be in grid map. And so here, it's really going to be first, it will be black, then red, then no color, which is white, then blue. Okay, let's do it in 2D. So see, it's black, then red, then it's going to be nothing, then blue.
Now it stops because there's no
more code. Yeah, commands and code.
It's doing 3D. Okay. Let me restart it.
Okay, let's see. Oh yeah. Restart. Okay, we're going 3D. Okay, let's see. Black, red, thing, then blue. It stopped. Now let's play it again. Oh, look at that. It's like running the code again. So cool.
It crashed.
Because there's no more play.
No more space.
Okay, now let's change to disk mover. Okay, let's see what it does here. It can be different because it's different playground.
And maybe there will be things to smash into.
I don't really think so. So here it will do the same code. Oh, look at this. Let's do it to 3D. Let's see what will happen. Let's see. Okay, black. Then red. Then thing. And blue. Now let's stop it again. And run it again. Let's see. It went on to that. Oh, look at that. So cool. Let's close. And thanks for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.